Hey, what's going on, guys? It is February 27th, day 4. I just did the challenge. Push pulls is what they call it, or what they can call it. So today, it was funny. I watched the video before it got started. I was like, all right, this is like the routine that I've been doing for the past, month and a half, 2 months. Wrong. And the reason being is that they're doing the same stuff. I barely can even raise my damn arm right now. They're doing the same stuff, various push-ups and pull-ups, but the problem is that I haven't, like I explained in day 1, I never really just dropped my body all the way down and just did straight pull-ups. I always did a form of kipping. Well, although that made me stronger than what I was at the end of the last year, I'm not where they obviously are. I mean, my number count from doing sets of 10, doing the kipping, this time when I'm trying to drop it, can't drop it like it's hot, boy. I'm just out there gassing. So I set my number for 20 and 6. So I always try to hit the push-ups, and understand, I'm not doing regular push-ups. I'm actually doing the same stuff that they're doing, but with the perfect push-up. So your arms are actually rotating, and my wife is actually watching me, and she's telling me that in comparison to them, I'm going too deep. So in the perfect push-up, they actually show you to go deep, get that full stretch, and then do a push-up. Looking at Tony and those guys, sometimes they're not even going 90 degrees. They're just short of 90, and then just doing little bunny ones. But I was going down all the way. So she was like, yeah, you're doing a little bit deeper than they are. Yeah, that's probably why you're hurt right now. So I was doing modifications of those. I was still keeping the width the same, but sometimes I just get on my knees. I mean, I ain't too proud to beg. So I had to get down on the knees, try to push as much as I can regular, then got down to the knees, especially after the 3rd set of push-ups. It was like halfway, got to 10. Sometimes I even got to 14 before it was just like, all right, I'm freaking dying here. The bonus, that little burnout, man, I was struggling just to try and do that one pull-up for real. I was hurting. I did various ones, so I went wide, I went chin up. I have a different bar, the Total Gym bar, so they had that middle grip, which is like this, so I even did those. And yeah, I was hurting. Went down to the push-ups, tried to do a wide and fell on my face. When I tried to do a regular wide, had to basically just gut it up. And then I just did the ones on the knees. When I came back though, I did the wides the regular way, but my arms were on fire. So right now, feeling good. My arms are going to kill me tomorrow. I don't know what's in store for tomorrow. I got to look at the schedule and get a feeling for what it is. Hopefully it's legs, some sort, agility X, something, because I need to mix this up because my arms are going to be killing me tomorrow. But it is what it is. Oh, abs. We haven't really hit a lot of abs and core exercises as much as I thought we were. So, but we'll see what happens. So that is day 4. Feeling all right. I took some pictures. I weigh 175 pounds. Day 1 it was 180, but I didn't poop yet, and that's it. Yeah, so I'm good. I had clothes on and then poop, took off my clothes, bam, I'm down to 175. Yeah, it's that vicious. All right, guys, y'all take care, and we'll catch you tomorrow.